also are drinking wine this time.
Cheers to a great Europe trip.
Let's do it. Brought you presents.
It's a lot of crap. It's an entire IKEA bag.
Full of backpacks. And a suitcase. And more inside the suitcase. What do you think? You wanna pack? Some people said that she looked like a hostage last time, so she made sure to.
I did my hair this time.
So today we're going to go over everything that she set aside. Although, to be perfectly honest, before this video, we went through a lot of it together and even went shopping.
Just a little bit.
I even bought some extra stuff. If you see me in different outfits that weren't in my packing video, it's her fault. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna show you guys the whole capsule wardrobe this time. Then obviously we're gonna pack it. And then I think your biggest thing will be toiletries.
We're gonna have a fight over that one.
So it might not be as intervention-y this time.
I kind of just let her take control this time. I was like, I didn't really pull a lot of clothes. I was like, tell me what I need. Because
I just went to her wardrobe and just picked it all out.
Yeah, she's really good at just seeing it before it's on a person. And even, I was even like, I'm not gonna like that together. And then I put it on and I was like, damn girl, this is nice.
I can envision it. Yeah, you can say damn.
Okay.
I can just kind of envision it a little bit more, and it takes her actually trying it on to do it. Again, try everything on, you guys, right? Because that's how you know.
I'm the what if packer. Like, what if it's cold?
And I'm even struggling with that on this trip too, because it ranges from like 40 to 75. And so it's like, well, do we prepare ourselves to be cold? We're also big, like overheated type of people.
Very hot people.
So you can see that I'm even going through this too. And it's really cold in Michigan right now.
It also snowed yesterday here. I came back from Hawaii 2 days ago. It was 80.
It snowed on Halloween.
Why do we live here? Cheers to a great Europe trip.
Let's do it. You have a lot of fans too.
I'm a cute boy. I'm the cutest boy.
Okay, first of all, people want to know how your trip to Hawaii was, especially with less clothes and less toiletries than what you're used to packing with.
The trip was fantastic. It was a lot warmer than I thought it would be. I did not need the cardigan. The 2 shirts that had cap sleeves, or 3. The secret jacket I packed that she didn't know about, and my blanket. I wore the same shirt 3 days in a row, my favorite shirt, and it didn't really get dirty. I mean, just wore it to the beach, so.
Yeah, their biggest question was, did you wear the cardigan?
No.
But you did buy a sweatshirt.
I did. Ask me about hair care or something in Hawaii. I did not blow dry my hair once. Didn't use the straightener. What I ended up bringing was spray and a cream to like scrunch my hair.
Are you excited to travel with a hairstylist and makeup artist again?
Yes. I had the best hair on those vacations. In Finland, I was the coolest. There's actually a video of us in Finland where I was like, I'm the coolest. Oh, I miss those days.
So what are you most nervous about today?
When she finds my second toiletry bag, maybe she'll let some of it slide.
And what if they throw it away in Europe? They're more strict.
That's all right.
All the toiletries in it?
Just a little lotion and stuff. I might rebuy that.
Okay. What city are you most excited to go to?
Tie between Venice and probably Dubrovnik, because I'm a big Game of Thrones fan. However, if you guys don't know me yet, I do love McDonald's, and Split, Croatia has a snack wrap, and I am pumped. I cried when I saw it on the menu, so.
How many countries have you eaten McDonald's in?
Maybe 25.
All right, so Christina's going to be borrowing my Haze Air Light, and it's expandable for when she shops.
Yay!
And then this is the packing cube. We're gonna be using the Haze Pastel, and of course we're gonna do the nude to match the nude bag. And I do have extra packing cubes if we wanna use those, and I brought her some other stuff too.
Yeah, I'm glad I have a suitcase this time because I noticed this on my last one.
Starting to break? Her suitcase is starting to break. 1, 2, 3 bottoms. That's a short skirt, jeans, and a long skirt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tops. Pair of leggings for the plain, a cardigan for the plain, another cardigan, pair of white sneakers, a pair of booties, 1, 2, 3, 4 dresses, and a sweater. I should also mention that this top and this top are long sleeve. You ready?
I'm so ready.
So everything's gonna fit in the medium-sized packing cube, and if you guys saw my packing video, you saw that I put You'll see that I put all of the dresses together, so we're gonna do that here as well. What was your favorite part of Hawaii?
So we went to Hawaii for our honeymoon last August. I took a 24-page binder that had an appendix with me. My husband hated it. This time he told me no itinerary, but we went to a beach every day called Slaughterhouse Beach, north of Kapalua. We got a boogie board. It was so fun, relaxing, but it was nice. Do I need a bathing suit for like a hot tub?
I didn't pack one, but I was like, should we look and see?
She did it, guys. I mean, look at that.
Done. Well, that wasn't dramatic at all. Video might not be as funny.
Sorry for the non-dramatics.
Might not be as funny. We still have a cardigan to fit. You're gonna wear the boots on the plane? They both take up as much space.
Maybe the tennis shoes there and the boots on the way home if I have to, because they look a little bigger. Take up more space on the way there. Like we used to put Pringle containers in our things that we would eat, and then you have room for souvenirs on the way home. Because if you have the space, you're gonna put something there.
So she'll wear those. We will pack these. Now we just have to decide if you want to put underwear and bras and pajamas in a packing cube, or if you want to put them in the mesh part of the thing. Every time she went to get her underwear out in Hawaii and they were perfectly rolled, and she's like, Lauren did this. Lauren did my underwear.
I'm gonna put one in my backpack too, just in case I shit my pants.
So I switched her to this little small cube because she packed how many pairs of underwear?
Maybe she'll edit that part out. I packed 12. I also packed 2 backpack underwears just to have it.
Yeah, so either way, I put her in this little small packing cube instead, and we're gonna put that in. Here is all of her clothes, and we're gonna keep pajamas separate just because we are going to a lot of different hotels. And then we'll probably just put your extra little cardigan right here. More wine. And then really too, if she buys a lot of stuff, because we do that.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do. We do. But really, if she needed to, she could take all this underwear and put it in here, and then she has all that space left over, so.
Look at me go.
All right, so on this side, all of her socks are packed in her little booties. And then we're gonna need any other accessories.
I don't accessorize. Does a belt bag count as a purse, or do I need an actual purse?
No, if you're comfortable wearing that, then you're good.
Like this.
Ooh. Yeah. All right, it's time to move on to toiletries, and I am letting her borrow one of my Tripped Travel Gear hanging toiletry bags because it can do hair, makeup, first aid, everything all together. And I have 3 of them now. And when it comes to liquids, I gave her some Cadence capsules. I got these for her birthday, that she can put a lot of her cleanser and moisturizer and stuff in for liquids. They're life-changing. She'll like them.
She's the best.
We have liquid toiletries, and then we have non-liquid toiletries, but a couple of these makeup ones, we're gonna move to liquid. We did put all of her foundation in here. I did the same thing with mine, and then we used the Cadence capsules for moisturizer and cleanser for the face. Liquid's done. But I once saw somebody have to throw away all the perfume they bought at duty free.
Do you remember that?
Yeah.
And she had like a whole suitcase of just expensive shit.
Like Chanel stuff, and they made her throw it away. Yeah, I say that all the time. It's like, oh my gosh, you guys. I am making her use solid shampoo for the first time, but we're bringing regular conditioner because I'm not really a fan of the solid conditioner.
You do not need a straightener, correct?
No, I packed one.
Look at that.
Toiletries, non-liquid, done. Going in the bag. All right, so here we have a raincoat, sunglasses, non-liquid toiletries, a little shopping bag. We've got cough drops because we're both feeling a little right now. Her little booties with a bunch of socks inside, pajamas, whole capsule wardrobe, 1,000 pairs of underwear, and an extra little cardigan. She's actually packing a little bit less than me, but to be fair, my clothes are a lot bigger and I have to pack a lot of camera gear. And she's bringing her purse on her personal item. I'm packing mine. And I brought hats because I like hats. She doesn't like hats.
What did she throw away while I was gone, people? Anything?
I didn't throw anything away. I just showed them the inside of your bag.
I'm sure. Ow! I was laying there.
Pick a personal item.
The largest one.
Okay, so I brought you all these personal items, and I brought you the biggest one because I know that's what you're gonna want, but I don't know if it's gonna be allowed.
You can't bring me the biggest one and then...
I know, but you don't have that much stuff though. Really don't want you to like board with this one that I know is definitely too big.
When your toiletry bag is yay big, you ain't got much.
It's not my fault. That's literally the world's rule. So I really want to try to not do this one if we can. So we have, this one's not waterproof, so I probably wouldn't bring that one. And then there is a tote bag just in case like shopping or something. And the good thing is you're not bringing a laptop. So all of these have laptop sleeves. All of them have trolley sleeves. So really the laptop sleeve is just an extra pocket for you.
This one looks the smallest out of the rest of them that are here. And what if I buy a lot of stuff?
And then how do you feel about a tote? Would you rather do a backpack or would you rather do a tote?
That like goes skinny at the top, so it might not fit as much.
So we'll go between, they probably look to be about the same size, but I think the thing that you'll like, the extra thing on the top. So we can pack it in there.
Finally narrowed her down.
Christina wants to bring a lot of stuff for the personal item that I think is, I would do things a little bit differently, let's just say. It's okay, I'm not gonna be, you know, crazy. I'm gonna let her do her thing. This is a longer flight, so I want her to be comfortable. This water bottle is really big. It's really big. I'm just really excited to see if you use the ridiculous foot hammock.
Right.
I'm imagining that you're sitting here and literally, if you remember in economy, you don't remember, but the seat in front of you is gonna come right here, and then you're gonna put the foot hammock and you're gonna have to go like this, and your knees are gonna hit the seat. It's not gonna be comfortable the whole time. Like you're gonna have to attach it to the person's seat in front of you. It's gonna hit the whole time. So I'm just excited to see how it works. How tall are you?
5'9".
I'm 5'10", and I know my knees hit the seat the whole time in economy.
My husband travels for work, so I get Comfort Plus or First Class. Since I've traveled with Lauren in 2019. It's been that long since economy.
We have like first class on our train though.
Cheers to that.
We did it. We packed, we went to Target.
It only took us like 7 hours.
Trying on all the clothes is hard work, you guys. Yeah. Seriously, make a YouTube channel where you show your capsule wardrobe and you'll realize that you sweat a lot when you do it.
So much. The wine helped.
The wine. Well, now we still have like things that we have to book. So let's get off camera and do that because that's actually important.
Yeah, like
that we have to do. We need an airport hotel night before we fly out, and we need a couple of other fun activities to do. Let's go spend money and do that.
So exciting.
By the time you see this, we will already be on vacation. We will be almost on our way home.